Starting September 12th, the Digital Arts Experience is bringing back our awesome, hands-on, collaborative, in-person programs. We've set up a large tent in our parking lot so 6 students and 1 DAE instructor can stay safe while working together in a fun, engaging, and collaborative way. In addition to our online classes and collaborative gaming, we will teach Python and arcade game design for 4 weeks on Saturdays and open workshops on Saturdays and Wednesdays. We are taking every precaution to ensure that everyone stays safe. Students will be no less than 6 feet apart from each other, and every student will have their own dedicated workstation. Tables and laptops will be cleaned in accordance with CDC guidelines before and after each use. Upon arrival, you will be asked to sanitize your hands before touching any equipment. All DAE instructors, staff, and students are required to wear masks at all times. Only 1 student will be permitted inside the DAE to use the restroom at a time. Please leave all belongings at home or in the car you arrive in. All you need is yourself and a capped water bottle. It has been a long time since we have had in-person classes at the DAE, and we are super excited to kick off the school year with the great in-person programs you know and love. For more information, visit thedae.com or give us a call at 914-644-8100.